Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 25th, 2025, and we're diving into Eastman's first quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Eastman has reported a strong first quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Eastman reported sales revenue of $2.29 billion for Q1 2025, a slight decrease from last year. However, the company has shown impressive improvements in profitability. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. While sales revenue saw a 1% decline, Eastman achieved a 170 basis point improvement in adjusted EBIT margin, driven by innovation and operational efficiencies. The adjusted EPS came in at $1.91, up 19% year over year, which is a testament to their cost discipline and strategic initiatives.
That's impressive. However, I noticed a significant cash outflow from operations. What's behind this?
The $167 million cash outflow is primarily due to increased working capital needs, as Eastman built up inventory in anticipation of a higher than usual planned shutdown in Q2 2025.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Eastman's different segments fare this quarter?
The advanced materials segment saw a 4% revenue decline due to lower selling prices and volume, particularly in automotive and construction markets. However, additives and functional products and chemical intermediates both reported a 4% increase in revenue, driven by higher selling prices and volume. Unfortunately, the fibers segment experienced a 13% decline, mainly due to customer inventory destocking.
It seems like a mixed bag across segments. What are the key drivers for these performances?
For advanced materials, the decline was offset by growth in specialty plastics. Additives and functional products benefited from cost pass-through contracts and higher demand for coatings additives. Chemical intermediates saw favorable market conditions for olefin-based products, while fibers struggled with destocking and a discontinued product.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.88 for Eastman based on a survey of 5 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
Eastman delivered an adjusted EPS of $1.91, slightly beating the forecast by 0.03 cents. This performance aligns with the company's guidance and reflects their ability to manage costs effectively despite a challenging environment.
That's a positive surprise for investors. How does this align with their future guidance?
Eastman has maintained its guidance, expecting a modest sequential volume increase in Q2 2025. However, they are cautious due to trade uncertainties and higher planned maintenance costs.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Eastman has highlighted operational efficiencies, particularly at the Kingsport methanolysis facility. Can you tell us more about this?
Indeed, Eastman recorded its best ever uptime and production quantities at the Kingsport facility, which significantly contributed to their EBIT improvement. They're also focusing on cost discipline, with a $75 million cost reduction target and reduced capital expenditures to $550 million for the year.
How does this position them for the rest of 2025?
With a strong focus on cash generation, Eastman aims to achieve $1.2 billion in operating cash flow for the full year. Their innovative product portfolio and diverse end markets should help them navigate the uncertainties of global trade tensions.
Key takeaways. In summary, Eastman has delivered a strong first quarter with a slight beat on EPS expectations and significant improvements in operational efficiencies. John, any final thoughts on Eastman's investment prospects?
Eastman's strategic focus on innovation and cost management positions them well for future growth. Despite macroeconomic uncertainties, their robust cash flow generation and diverse product portfolio make them an attractive investment.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Eastman's performance in the comments below.